Hello everyone, welcome back. In this class we are going to see copying and deleting list in Python. Usually we used to copy a variable using another variable with assignment operator. But using assignment operator with new variable in list does not make a copy. For example, if I have a list like Eve is equal to 246. If I want to make another copy of this with a new variable called num1, num1 equal to Eve will not make a copy of Eve. Instead, here num1 becomes another variable name for the same address of the list. Let us little more be clear with the diagram. Eve is equal to 246. If you see the ID of this, it may be showing some ID on your computer, right? Now if I give num1 is equal to Eve, then both the IDs are for the same list. It is not two different lists, then ID also is the same. If you want to change the list having Eve as the name, when you see num1, that also get changed. That means it is one single list. This is called shallow copy. Then how do we make an exact copy of list? So let me again take the same example. It has the ID as said before. Now if I want to copy, I will be giving eve.copy of. That I will put it in a new variable. That means I can write num2 equal to eve.copy of. This will make a true copy of the list. So if you see that num2 is another list having different ID now. So now num2 is a true copy of Eve. Let me create a new list called num. I'm just giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is equal to num. Let me check the ID of num. Also ID of n. So both are same. I am trying to change n. So let me append n dot append of. I give 70 there. Now if I see n, I didn't make any change to num, right? Let me check what is num. So you can see the change in num also. It is clear for us. Assignment operator creates one more variable name for the same list. So let us use now copy of. I am giving n1 is equal to num dot copy of. See now n1 is a new list here. Let me check ID of n1 now. It is different. Let me also change this. n1 dot append of. I am having a list inside list. So just I give 20, 30. Nested list I make it. So now if I see n1, it is changed. If I see num, it still remains as it is. So from this, we are very clear that dot copy of only makes a true copy of the list given. Now let us learn del. Del is a keyword in Python. We can make use of del in different ways. Del will delete a single element from a list. Del will also help us to delete multiple elements which is in a range. Del will also delete a list. Let us see the syntax for these. To delete a single element, we will give del space list and then the index number in the square bracket. So that particular index number's value get removed. If we want to delete multiple elements, we can also give the range instead of single index. Del space list of index range we give. If we want to remove the complete list itself, we can give del space name of the list. For example, if ch is the list, if I want to remove one element, del space ch of 5. So 5 will be f, right? That get removed. So if we see what is ch, now it will be this one. So let us take this list for the next operation. If I want to delete a range of elements, then I can give del ch of 4 is to 8. So that means we know the slicing, according to the slicing it will be removing the elements. That means fifth element having index number as 4, that is E, G, H, I. So 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is not included. So that means J will not be included. It will be there. So A, B, C, D, J will be the new list after performing this. So next one, if we want to delete the list itself, we can give del space ch. If we try to check what is ch, it will say it is not identified. So that is ch is no longer available. Let us execute all these on the Python IDLE with different examples. I am just giving the same list which was in the example. Del space ch of, I give 6. So that is G get removed. Ch, G got removed. Now let me give some range here. Del ch of 3 is to 7. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 elements get removed from the list. Let me check. Now let me have num is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then also 10. Now del num of, see I am giving the first index 0 and the last index is 9. I give 10 so that 9 is also included. If I do this, this will remove all the elements, right? But I am not doing this. Instead of that, I am going with the step which is 3 here. So now first element get removed, 4 is removed, 7 is removed, and then 10 also gets removed. Let me check now. So even this facility is available when we are removing some particular range of cells. So as the slicing, we can remove the elements. Now if I want to delete ch, it get removed. Now let me check it. It is not available. Hope copying and deleting elements or a list is very clear to you. Let us meet in the next class. Until then, bye.